Okay, your total is $5.99. Would that be cash or card? Card. Alright, here you go. Have a great night. Thank you, you too. Ugh, I'm so exhausted after a day of running errands. Don't worry, I'll make your food soon. Hello everyone! So in today's video, I will be doing a night routine vlog. I just came back home and I'm so exhausted. So I'm going to put these bags away and take a relaxing bath. What is that sound? Oh, it's raining. Thankfully, I got home before it rained. For dinner, I'm having this cheesy pasta. It looks so good. So I just finished reading my book and it's been like an hour. I'm craving something sweet, so I'm going to eat the cupcake that I got from the bakery earlier. Okay, I am so excited to eat my cupcake. What? Who could possibly be at the door right now? Oh, it's just my PR package. I've been meaning to get this and I completely forgot. Let's see what's in it. Wow, these skincare products look so cute. I'll unbox them fully tomorrow morning, but I'll for sure be using these. Alright, back to my dessert, and let's pick something to watch. Okay, I'm so sleepy right now, so I'm going to get ready for bed.